Hello, my name is Kim Keys, and recently I had a friend and fellow YouTuber named Phil Shapiro commission me to create a HyperCard-like project that involved programming a self-running presentation that I could show to anyone without having to run PowerPoint or Keynote or any other presentation software that is currently out there. I basically did a straight linear presentation that has a beginning, middle, and end. I was basically a newbie at this, so I did something simple. I found that the programming language is slightly harder than Snap, but it's easier than C++. If you know basic HTML, you should be able to do a similar easy project like I did. Apple computer users of a certain age will definitely remember HyperCard. For those of you who weren't around when HyperCard existed, or want to know if there are any programs that are similar to HyperCard, it's all there in my self-running presentation, which starts right now. Okay, so we're at the front page, and it reads, HyperCard lives on today. Created by Kimberly Keys, that's me, based on an idea by Phil Shapiro. Project finished on May 2nd, 2019, public domain. And we're going to click on this little arrow here, finger here. HyperCard was a program that was originally released by Apple in 1987. It was included for free with all new Macintoshes. For those who already own a Macintosh, one could buy it for $49.95. And you can see throughout the whole presentation, I include screenshots of actual HyperCard programs. So anyway, we're going to click on the arrow here. HyperCard was created by Bill Atkinson following an LSD trip. Despite its drug-fueled origin, HyperCard was a success upon its release. And the caption underneath the photo reads, Bill Atkinson, who's seated on the right, with Apple Computer co-founder and CEO Steve Jobs. Okay, now I'm going to click on the... Oh yeah, and these things, if you click on this finger, you go back. And this finger means go forward. So I can go forward again. HyperCard had an easy-to-learn programming language where anyone of any age could do simple coding. People created general-purpose presentations with HyperCard before programs like PowerPoint existed. People could create simple games. People could even create databases. And instead of using the mouse and clicking on this, I can also use my arrow keys, which I'm going to do right now. I'm going to try the arrow key, and yep, it works. HyperCard was the first program that used hypertext, which people can click on to reach other text on either the same page or a different page. It was said that HyperCard served as the inspiration for Tim Berners-Lee to invent the concept of web pages that could be accessed online through the World Wide Web. HyperCard's glory days ended with its last official release in 1998. Apple stopped supporting HyperCard entirely after 2004. Despite HyperCard's demise, there were plenty of people worldwide who missed that format with its relatively easy coding and its accessibility to those who aren't high-end computer programmers. But then LiveCode was released. LiveCode is an open-source successor to HyperCard that has the same ease of coding, but with a few modern elements, such as the ability to add color. In addition, HyperCard was available only to Apple Macintosh users. LiveCode is available for Windows and Linux, as well as for Macintosh. LiveCode allows users to create apps for computers, just like in the old HyperCard days. But there's one modern twist. LiveCode can also create apps for both Droid and iOS mobile devices. If all that weren't enough, LiveCode can even export the file in the HTML format for posting online directly on the World Wide Web. By the way, this presentation was actually created in LiveCode. You can now download the free community version of LiveCode at livecode.org. And LiveCode is, that LiveCode URL, it's a live link, so if I click on it, And yep, it's bringing up. Yep, it brings up the website. At this point, I've reached the end of my presentation, and I could either click on this finger here to go back one page, or if I want to, start all over again, I can just, click on this link. This is start all over from the beginning, and I'm back to the front page. Anyway, that's it for my presentation. Feel free to like, comment, or share this video. If you want to be alerted to any future videos, subscribe to my channel. Alright, well, that's it for now, and have a nice day.